Hermione.
Candace?
Jeremy?
It is you. I was just over there in a taxi and I saw you were over. What are you doing here?
Well, my brothers had this idea to
Your
fly around.
brothers? Say no more.
Oops, we slipped our move. I guess we're leaving. Hey, Candace, better wrap it up. Looks like we're underway.
What? No, not yet. I had something I wanted to tell you.
Really? What is it?
I wanted to tell you earlier, but then I saw you in front of your hotel with those kids and the girl with the ice cream.
Candace, were you spying on me?
No, it's just that I saw you and it was like my teacher wearing a cowboy hat.
I would
No.
hope my girlfriend would have a little trust.
No.
Jeremy, he said the G word.
Well, yeah, I used the. Hold on.
Didn't.
Yeah, I used the G word. It doesn't freak you out, does it?
I
No,
didn't
because I
see.
think of you as my B word.
Well, G word.
No, I
or J
didn't
word.
see.
Maybe.
I didn't see
Candace?
All set, Jeremy. Start kissing.
Candace?
No.
Harry
You can't
either.
now. Just get off to the next bridge.
I can't. I'm in charge of
I
these
didn't
guys.
see Harry
I'm going to be
either.
responsible. I'll see you in a week, boyfriend.
Candace, you better take your seat.
Don't worry, Candace. The week
No,
will be
what?
before you know it. At least you've got a love scene on a bridge.
Love is a canvas furnished
No
by
way.
nature and embroidered by the imagination.
Well, Tab, you heard? Really?
Oh, I can't help it. Paris does it to me every time. It's 4 o'clock. We're in a baguette boat with a fuel tank full of
I've been
sailfish.
looking for
I've got a
him.
good feeling about this. Okay, everyone, hold on to something.
I can't believe I'm
We're over to a harbor fair. After that, it's nothing but open ocean and a couple of remote islands. We should be home in no time. Huh. Well, that might be
I
a
can't
problem.
believe I'm first here.
Well, looks like everything worked out for the best. That giant wave break put us back on schedule. We might even arrive in Danville ahead of time.
So
You know, barring any unforeseen mishaps. Oh my God,
This-
that's what I'm talking about.
how
Yeah, this is
you
what I was talking about earlier.
felt
Well, Fern, that was our worst one yet.
last.
I'm beginning to detect a pattern here.
Idiots! This isn't Danville. It's a deserted island. The only things on this island are us, a couple of trees, and a big fat ox. Hey, not you, big fat ox. Him, big fat ox. My mom and dad left me in charge. I never took it to a house. I didn't make it back at all. And now we're stranded, and now I'll never get my kids from Jeremy. It's the end of romance.
Okay.
You get a loop.
Wanna
You do realize that you're stranded
What?
on this island too, right? I don't care. I'm winning.
snake
Phineas, how are we going to get off this island?
Well,
And
we'll just have to fix the
snakes.
boat.
With what?
with
There's plenty here. All it needs our imagination. For instance, we could tie
How
those
what?
palm trees into
Snakes
rafts
with
and have a supersonic outboard motor. Oh wait, we don't have anything to cut the trees with, and we don't have an outboard motor. I know. We can soup up this ox so we can run on a conveyor belt that would charge a. Oh, we don't have a conveyor belt. We don't have any
There's
soup.
no points us at class, so we have to study for a potion.
We got the
Okay.
seats, we still got one rubber band, and we got
Polly
sand. Hey, maybe you can make an hourglass and watch the time
Juice.
slip away.
Well, thanks for the lift. Before you leave, we have one more thing for you. Really? What is it? Those are handcuffs. There's a list of
Polly
outstanding
Juice.
violations as long as you're armed.
Okay, Jenny.
Well, I do have unusually long arms.
But we're on vacation.
Oh, don't worry, young lady. You'll be able to continue your
Great.
vacation in 10 to 20 years. I'm gonna beat the rap, you know. I've been working on a rap pizza maker. I just don't know if it works in France. I mean, if you see the electrical outlets here, I wouldn't even know where to start.
Hold it right there. Step away from the evil scientist.
Vanessa, I am
It-
so proud of you. You are evil.
I'm not evil. Just get in the car before they find out this is only a hairdryer.
This is a hairdryer?
Yeah, I got it in Tokyo.
Cool. But they didn't know it was a hairdryer when you pointed at them, so that means you're a little evil.
Sorry.
Okay, Dad. Maybe I'm a little evil.
I knew it. It's okay.
Mm,
Right.
Dad.
Well, don't know about you, but I'm gonna go take care
Hello?
of you. See you back in the States.
There's gotta be some minerals or something down here we can use. I mean, we can't just be stuck here.
Thanks, Verb. I just don't know what to do.
He
We were in Paris.
turning
World, and
in
didn't even notice me.
to
I
Need a
feel like
little
eating her.
something
Here, look
where
at it.
Look,
we
that's
turn
part of
it
the
into.
starfish. There's gotta be something we can make out of this. Oh